I'm so gone, gone, gone over you. You can put it all on my tab. You can spend all of my cash. I'm so gone, gone, gone over you. You know you get my mind so gone. I still can't leave you alone.
What up, what up, what up? It's your boy Cut.
And your girl Tisha. What we got tonight? Keon created.
As y'all can see, I got this illustrious creation of sorts. Hope y'all can get a good glimpse of that in the camera. This
Here, I'll
nice
lift it
hot,
and you can tell them what you did.
Yeah, we basically got some surf and turf tonight, hibachi. You know, do it your way at the crib. Cut's kitchen style. So we got some zucchini chopped up.
There you go.
Finally, some nice chopped onions there with that. We got my shrimp sauteed to a yummy goodness. We got my steak. You see that? Nice and charred, you know what I mean? I don't want it medium. I don't want no blood, no red coming out of there. You know, we want that thing well done. And we got some chicken over there as well. Alright. And then last but not least, we got some fried rice that I did as well, homemade. Alright, so let's get it, man, with no further ado.
Oh, you want to break it?
Yeah. Alright.
Sorry for that noise, Kyla's and stuff.
Right. Lord bless this food we now about to receive, taken and purified. In Christ's name, amen.
Amen. Baby, I really don't.
Alright, come on.
Yeah. Wow.
Alright, I'm gonna start with fried rice.
Okay, alright.
Y'all get a good look at that.
Mmm.
Yeah.
Oh, but we're not. Let me see. I'm trying to put us back a little bit so y'all can see.
There you go.
Thanks, babe.
Alright.
Smells so good, y'all.
Oh yeah, I forgot to tell y'all, we definitely got that yum yum sauce to go on top, you know. Wouldn't be right if we didn't capitalize with that. So, how y'all doing out there? KNT gang. Hope all is well with everybody out there. Everybody tuned in if you're watching this. Hit that subscribe button if you're just getting familiar with us.
So we're gonna do a would you rather, I guess, while we eat today. So would you rather tag, I believe is what they call it when you're mukbanging. So we're gonna do that. Oh my gosh, I can't even wait. Let me try this. I didn't even get no vegetables yet.
Your boy out did it something. Ooh, man, I feel like I'm at Arigatos or something, Japanese steakhouse. Yeah. Y'all know nothing about that. That's Greensboro. You know what I mean? Shout out my peoples in the borough. What's happening? But yeah, I love Japanese steakhouse, hibachis, and all that. We got a great place here called Sushi King that we ain't been to in a while, but it's one of my favorite places here to go to. And the great thing about that, guys, is you can go there and pay like we normally go there around lunchtime. Get the lunch special, about 12 bucks. But the catch is you get to eat all you want. Now they don't have it on the buffet. They got a salad buffet, but as far as the food, it's made to order. So I can order some off the menu now. They come back 20 minutes later. I want to order something else. They bring it out fresh. So
This food good as hell.
that's phenomenal, I think. You know. Y'all comment down below if y'all ever ran into some hibachi places like that. Cause most of the time, it's just you get one plate and then you gonna order something else, but you gonna pay for something else. Shit. So I think that's kind of neat. All right.
They just keep bringing the hot, fresh food to you.
That's what we looking like. Amazing. All right. I'm doing too much yapping, so let me go ahead and get down. Got that yum yum.
Oh, I forgot.
Yeah. Put some of that to the side.
Ooh.
this.
That zucchini good. What in the Kyla?
Need that yum yum.
Yeah, I'm gonna try it.
That yum yum. Alright, let me see. I don't even know what to try first. Woo! Dang! Man, this ain't no joke right here.
They can't see. Oh, because you got it. Let me move this out your way.
Yeah.
Kyla tired, y'all.
It would be a crime if she tastes this good.
Would you rather? Let's start with one. I won't be too annoying with these questions. Okay.
Appreciate it.
Okay. Would you rather lose your sense of taste or your sense of smell?
Sense of smell.
You would rather lose that?
Before I can never taste anything again? What's the purpose of eating my favorite food if I can't taste it?
Yeah, but what if you're trying to
smell
go, but what if you go down on some girl, like we weren't together, you went on down, you can't smell her peck bottle?
I won't be going down.
Yeah, but you wouldn't know. Oh, you just saying you wouldn't go down here?
They wouldn't do it. That way I ain't got to worry about it.
Me? Yeah, I agree with Keon though.
I take the safe route now. What y'all say about that, fella? Comment down below.
What did I say? Would you rather lose your sense of taste or your sense of smell? And you said your sense of smell, right? Yeah, I would have to agree with him. Here, mama. You want some? Eat. Oh, tastes good, mama. You want to be on the camera with us? You gonna know because you're gonna try to grab me and daddy's plate. This is really good. This is Keon's first time making this, y'all. So good. Isn't it cheaper just to make this yourself, or?
Pretty much. Man, this is awesome, man.
It's really good.
I ain't no bullshit, man. I wish y'all were here. Y'all would definitely second that emotion.
How many? Oh,
go ahead.
How many of y'all that watch us have tried Beloved sauce? I'm asking because I don't like spicy. I don't like spicy food. And I don't know if it's too spicy or. And do y'all like it? Do you not like it? I'm just curious. Some people like it, some people don't. You know, it's a hit or miss. You want to try it, Key?
Yeah, I'd give it a whirl.
Okay, let me get another question. I'm gonna move my plate. I'm gonna eat some more, y'all. But I'm doing with Tyler. Come on, mama.
Boy, going to work, ain't don't play no game, Doc.
Say, mama, say hey. Say hit the like button. Say hit the like button for me. Hit the like button. Okay. Move you away for you be grabbing because she is known to grab our plates. Okay. Okay, would you rather be able to freeze time or travel in time?
Travel in time.
Yeah, me too. I'd rather travel in time than to freeze time. Would you rather live without music or television? Oh, I already know what you're going to say.
Definitely television.
Yep. And then me, yeah, I would have to say television too, even though I love to watch my shows and stuff. But some music is like therapy.
Be right back, yeah.
To me, so yeah. Let's see. Hit that subscribe button if you're new, and welcome to our channel.
Yeah.
You see? Where's Kyla? She's like, I don't know, but I'm looking for my dad. Mm-hmm. You okay? You are? Spoiled rotten. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna find another question with Daddy's on it. No. Oh, here, you want some more? Here.
Not this, not this. This.
Yeah, you can leave that, Caleb. It's okay. It's alright.
Oh, through here.
Oh, hell no. Did they really ask this key?
What?
Would you rather lose all of your teeth or all of your hair? Oh,
Damn.
I would say my hair because I could just throw a wig on.
Yeah, I'd rather lose all my hair first.
Not my
Yeah,
teeth.
that.
I need my teeth, baby. Can't no onion. Here. Mama.
Just get a 10 out of 10, y'all.
It really do.
I
It's
ain't
so
saying it
good.
because I made it. I wouldn't tell you nothing wrong.
Mama.
Ain't gonna be no leftovers.
I'm getting another plate. Probably off camera, unfortunately, because Miss Kyla right here. Look at you. Look at
This
you.
is the ultimate
Spoiled
feast.
Y'all, who Kyla look like? Me or Keon? I say both. Look at me like that. Don't
Look
look
at
at
it.
me like that. You got an attitude? You got an attitude? Okay.
She know what her daddy be in the kitchen throwing down. Ain't that right? Hey, dad.
Really? It said, would you rather have the same phone forever or the same haircut forever?
Yeah,
I don't want the same
ass
phone.
question.
I don't want, I know. Y'all, I just went to Google.
Where you get that from?
I would probably do the,
Same phone number or same haircut?
no, same phone, like cell phone.
Oh, hell no.
That's what I said.
Nah.
Yeah. Would you rather work for a boss you hate but make really good money, or work for a boss that you love but make minimum wage?
I'd rather work for my damn self.
Yeah, me too.
Can I fit that in there somewhere?
I'm gonna be real though. If I had to answer this, it would definitely be a boss I hate, because at the end of the day, we're not supposed to go to work to make friends. I'm there to get my money. And since that money would be good, I wouldn't give it a hand. All right, let's see. Just a few more. That food is so good. Y'all see that? Y'all see how good the food is? Kyla giving. Mama.
Yeah.
She dancing. Oh my God. Get it, Kyla. Get it, Kyla. Get it, Kyla. Okay.
I put
You beating up
the
my
boy put
mom.
the serious caramelization. Yeah, I said it, caramelization. On that zucchini and them onions over here. You see that? Yeah. I can't even keep myself contained over here.
You want some more? You want to eat? Here. Here, Mama.
Scrape the plate.
It's so good. It really tastes just like if we went to the Japanese. I'm thirsty. Babe, is this mine?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Pass me the juice.
So we got what we drinking today? Strawberry Minute Maid. Strawberry lemonade. That's what we got right now.
Would you rather share your house with a family of rats or live with your parents forever? Really? They got some crazy questions. Live with my parents forever.
I'm back home, Pop. Shit.
Don't touch your daddy's house. Oh my God.
That was good as shit. I'm gonna have to
Oh,
put
let me move
I
this and put that on the thing.
I got to add a little bit more on here.
Give it to Mama.
Take this.
I can't lie to y'all.
Kev, can you get that
I
for
can't
me?
wait the camera go off. I can't wait. I got to put some more fried rice on that bitch now. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
There we go. You don't need no more rice right now?
No.
Man, the kid, I feel bad
It's
eating
so
this.
good,
This
though.
is food for the kids, y'all, but they just got finished devouring some Domino's pizza. That's what they wanted to eat tonight, so
Yeah, they had cheese pizza, cinnamon twist,
Philly cheese
and
steak.
Philly cheesesteak.
Yeah, so they nice and full right now, but I wouldn't want to be in their shoes. They got.
We got picky eaters too.
They got to look at me eat this, huh?
We got picky eaters. They probably
just spitting,
our kids wouldn't even have ate this, y'all.
Yeah, they
Would
probably
they?
waste-
They would have wasted it.
Yeah, and I'd have been mad as hell, boy. You don't get to waste this. You don't waste this type of food. This luxury. Luxurious eats. Ain't that right? Y'all comment down below.
These These questions are corny. Let me
I want my
find.
food piping hot, man. So I'm gonna have to warm this shit up for a couple of seconds. Y'all comment down below if y'all like that too, cause I don't want my food warm and stuff. I can't eat it like that. I can't get the full enjoyance out of it. So y'all gonna have to excuse me so I can hit that button. While I'm doing it, y'all hit that button. That notification button if you ain't got it on. What you waiting for?
Hit that notification bell. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I did have half of my oh, what is that? Half of my son's Philly cheesesteak, so that's why I'm kind of stuffed.
You messed up.
He wasn't sure if he was gonna eat it all, and it was actually really good.
Give about a good 30
Don't worry
seconds,
about it, Cave. Oh, okay. I found some questions that's strictly for Keon. It says, rather questions for your boyfriend. So let's see if they got some good ones. Let's see.
No, I didn't drink over here if I spilled it. Alright.
What are questions that?
Read up. Had to read up on it, y'all. Ooh, yeah. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, baby. Appreciate it.
Yeah.
These are strictly for you. Let me see your plate. Dang.
Boy, it's like that. This boy looking.
Key, save me some. Oh my god, y'all.
You won't eat. You mess with me.
Would you rather kiss me on my cheek or kiss me on my forehead?
On your cheek or your forehead?
Yeah, that was one of the questions.
I don't know. Your forehead.
Would you rather be poor and famous or rich with no friends?
Rich with no friend.
Okay.
Making ends, not friends. Damn, a friend.
Would you rather live without music or play the same song for the rest of your life?
I'm gonna have to live without music. I can't listen to the same damn thing for the rest of my life. One song, that what it means?
Yeah, you can't change it. One song. Here, mama.
Music, it was nice knowing you then.
Oh, yes. Good job, mama. Ooh, diva.
Making a lot of noise over there, ain't you, guy?
Man. Ooh. Girl. Look like mommy, act like daddy. Thank you, girl.
Baby cat.
Let's see. Would you rather be poor and handsome or rich and ugly?
Rich and ugly?
Yeah, hell yeah. So it's a tons of ugly rich men. Ooh. These women out here finessing
I
these
trade
dudes.
I trade these good looks for $1 million. Shit. I take it. I'll make myself look good. He said no.
It's like,
I'll make myself look good again for $1 million. Shit.
let me stop, Troy. Don't play with me. What you doing? I know our mukbangs be a little hood. I'm sorry, y'all. They'll get better. I promise. Kids will start going to school with me and Keon with no distractions. Come here, mama. Oh my God. Would you rather be born without a dick or born without eyes?
Oh, hell no.
That's both bad. They
Damn.
chose asking that. Oh my. What's wrong, Saint? Oh Lord, he making that face. That thing. Give me a kiss. I love you. What you want? Oh, some cool. No, say it. What is it called? Well, it's juice.
Damn.
Is your neck still hurting?
No.
Then why you? No.
I need to be selling these plates right here. This is a $20 meal right here, hands down. You got to spend it. You got to spend it like you win it.
Okay, they asking some. See, they. Ew. This says, would you rather? No, I can't even do it because Keon eating. Next.
Don't ask me no silly shit.
I know. Would you rather?
Parachute.
Would you rather be dumb and super good looking or be really smart but hideous as hell?
They already asked me that, didn't they?
Kind of, right?
Mm-hmm. Sound very similar.
Give me a kiss. Kevion, want to say hey?
Hey.
Wait, they can't see you. Hold on. Kyla, what you eating?
Shikama.
Yeah, y'all see me over here going to work now. It's Sabbath now.
Here's Kevion, y'all. Say hey.
Hey.
His neck hurts. That's why he's doing that.
Wow.
Woo. I thought you said your neck feels better.
On that note.
Oh, that
On that note.
So just beat this.
Yes, Kendra. Yes, Kendra. I'm recording, but yes. There's one in there. I don't know.
I know there's one. Mommy, there's 3 left.
Okay.
Mommy.
Man, that was all.
I hope you guys enjoyed this mukbang. Sorry I didn't eat a lot.
I ate enough for
hold
both
on,
of
it's
us.
blurring. There we go.
I think it's safe to say I ate enough for the both of us.
Sissy.
Yeah, you did.
Sissy.
Come on and let's close this video down.
Bye.
Kavion, tell them don't forget to. He said like the button and subscribe. Mwah.
Yeah, turn them post notifications on, man. Alright, make sure y'all can.
And comment below what you guys want to see as mukbang.
Yeah. We just getting started, right?
Yes. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's time for me to get Kyla to bed. And I'm waiting for Keon.
Until next time, it's your boy Cut. We signing off. KNT Gang. We out of here.
We out.
Deuces.
Deuce.
P2.